beyond the legal minute.
Jakoma Martela Muchungne pewe ndeke Kenya Airports Authority Kalebsukosi Tanyo lando chenro mag yaro alap mag ndeke ma Jomo Kenyatta International Airports kostany neloso chenro mar yawo yanga chenro mar airport mtaani ma osingo kowacho ni medruok kwan jowuoth osekelo pek alabno. DJ mar alap ma JKIA Selina Gor owacho ni tije ma ibiro tim kokalo chenro mar airport mtaani kendo ni biro bero weche wuothe ne paw ndeke ma JKIA.
I know there were no turbulence in this.
As we continue to strive for excellence.
He came up with an idea that will help us improve services at the airport, and it will create employment, and it will make us create revenue for us at as KAA. This is a Kenyan-driven initiative. We pray that you expand to the other East African countries and get the support of all the other people that you will need.
You don't need to worry about your luggage. So just tell me, Humphrey, I'm coming, I'll be landing at this time. Please take care of my luggage. So you just come, land, clear immigration, and go to a meeting, Mr. Charles. We will be left behind. We'll get your luggage, clear it through customs, clear it through KIA, and take it to your home or to your hotel.